Hello guys, so today we're going to be talking about how you can buy football jerseys or soccer jerseys from DHgate.com. So here we are on the DHgate.com website. So there are two ways that you can do this. So you can just use the search bar as on any other website and just search for whatever you like. However, the easier way is to go up here onto this menu and find whatever you need. So as you can see, you have here different categories. So we're just going to go on to the sports and outdoors category, and here we're going to see athletic and outdoor apparel and shoes. So once here, we're going to click on soccer wear, and as you can see here, we have a bunch of different jerseys. So they are arranged by teams on here, and whichever team do you want, or whichever jersey you want. So let's just say, for example, here we are with the Man City team, and you open the product. As you can see, they are $9.98, and the shipping cost here is for my country it's $25, $24.84. And here you have different size, color options, and then you click on here and you can choose. So you have options with no name or no number, custom number, and custom name, or you can just go by different players. And then down here you have the sizes, and when you basically decide what you want, you just go on to the down here, add to cart, or if you just want to purchase it straight away, you go on to buy it now, and you are done. So yeah, thank you for listening, and I hope that this video is helpful to you.